I'm going to test your brain. I want to test how prepared you are to answer JAMB Test of Orals question in use of English. So let me give you, I want you to pay close attention. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the underlined letters. Pay attention. Oh. Let me read the instruction again. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the underlined letters. Question number 1. Question 86. Bubble. Underlined U. Bubble. A. Guy. B. Bull. C. Bumper. D. Goggle. Guy, bull, bumper, goggle. Tell me the answer to question 86. The next is wait. Then you can see the underlined vowel sound. Now, which of these words? A. Whale. B. White. C. Wet. D. Wreath. I will post the answers to the members of this channel. Only the members of this channel, I will post the answers of this question so that you will know the solution. For you, only the full members. If you are a full member of this channel, you will see the post I will make. I will tell you the correct options, but ensure you answer. Okay. With, is it whale? Option A. B. White. C. Wet. D. Right. These are authentic JAMB questions. Just let's test our brain. Don't tell me you don't know the answer. Just attempt it, even if you fail. Somebody said in the Bible, for those of you that are Christians, say, if I perish, I perish. So just try. Don't dodge it, right? Even if you don't get the answer, probably in the next one you will get the answer. 88. Leech. I hope you can see it very well on the screen. Leech. A. Gear. B. Cedar. D. Chair. D. Death. Leech. Gear. Cedar. Chair. Death. They are confusing, but try your brain. Try yourself. Don't just say I don't know the answer. Okay. Mention. Okay, we are looking at choose the option that has the same consonants. Now we are now looking at consonant sounds from question 89. We are looking at consonant sound. Consonant. The other 86 to 88 was vowel sound. We are now looking at consonant sound. A. Mention. You can see the T. Shon. A. That. B. Machine. C. Church. D. Test. Mention. Is it that? Is it machine? Is it church? Is it test? Which one has that vowel, consonant sound? We now look at this one. Prestige or prestige. A. Bag. Which one has that G? Prestige. Is it bag or badge or reggae or leisure? Prestige. Is it bag? Is it badge? Is it reggae? Is it leisure? Let me take the questions from number 86 again. There are just about 5, and I need you to just rack your head and try to know if you can answer them correctly. Even if you don't get 5 over 5, no problem. Nobody will come to your house to take your breakfast. Okay, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the underlined letters. Vowel sound. Bubble. We are looking at bubble. Remember that we have done a lot of videos on JAMB use of English. In fact, we have done close to 40 videos giving you expo questions, past questions and answer. If you need me to give you all the videos we've done so that you can sit yourself there, especially now that we have a little period to the JAMB exam, sit yourself down and watch them where I gave questions and answered them, right? If you need me to give you all of those videos free of charge, just tell me in the comment section and I could give them to you. Bubble, A, guy, B, bull, C, bumper, D, Google. Just tell me the one that you think is the answer. Vowel sound, or the same vowel sound. We have 87. Very, very important. Wait. A, whale. B, white. C, wet. D, wreath. What do you think is the correct answer? We now proceed. Leech. A, gear. B, cedar. You can see that JAMB will confuse your head, and that is why you are lucky that you located us in this channel, because if you watch from part 1 of all the videos we've done on use of English, there is no way you will fail use of English, because we've handled all aspects. We have turned it left, right, center. All the areas JAMB will come from, we have dwelt on them and I've given you all the solutions. Okay, so if you need me to give you all the videos and you are promising that you will not joke with it, that you will sit yourself down with your pen and paper and answer, just request for it and I could oblige you and give it to you. Leech. A, gear. B, cedar. D, chair. D, death. I will still post the answer. I will still do the correction and give you the answer to all those questions, but that is for registered members, full members of our channel. How do you become a full member? By joining. As you are watching this video, you can see the option to join. Just join our YouTube channel so that you can see all the answers. There are videos we post that the general audience will not see, even if you are subscribed. The general audience doesn't see it. Only the members. All the real videos, the cocoa videos are for members of this channel. Okay, we now move on. Okay, this one is consonant. Choose the option that has the same consonant sound. Okay, consonant sound, don't joke with it. Mention. This sure. Mention. Which one has it? That. B, machine. C, church. D, test. A lot of you you'll be surprised you'll get 5/5. Just try it. 90. Prestige. A, bag. Which one have that G? Bag. B, badge. C, reggae. D, leisure. A, we have prestige, we have bag, badge, reggae, leisure. So I just gave you 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, just 5 questions. If you get all the 5 questions correctly, just let me know in the comments section. Tell me all the answers in the comments. Don't tell me you don't know it. I will still post a video telling you the correct answers, but that is only for those that have joined our YouTube channel. If you have not joined, go ahead and join. When you join, be able to talk to me directly. You'll be a full registered member and we'll keep guiding you until you write your exam and pass. I am in the comment section waiting for you, waiting for your answers. We are waiting. Just post your answers right now.